see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning, guys. Uwian na si John. Kanina pa siya dito na papak. Yeah, I'll do that.
What's all that?
Yeah.
Is that ours?
No, that's not ito na empty niya na to. And yung dishwasher na empty niya na. That's us. I'll do that now.
Just whatever in the fridge.
Yeah.
Where's that going?
Here. The
And that?
microwave. Oh, that's not us.
There's the esky for the fridge stuff.
Okay.
And whatever you throw, you just sit up here, I'll throw it in the bin.
Okay. Natak natin ang buko. Ang kulang ng ilaw. Hindi ko yung kurtina kasi hindi pa naka-open. Para maliwanag ang pagligpit natin. So, check out tayo. Then, ibubook ulit to. Well, every year naman pa nag-check out, binibook namin ito. Para hindi tayo mawala ng cabin. Okay. Mamaya lagyan sa fridge muna.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
Nandun na yung esky. So, natanggal ko na yung mga nasa fridge and freezer. Nandun na sa esky ni Johnny Boy. Ayan. Ito wala na to. Ayan yung aking. Yeah. Hugasan. Ayan. Tapos ko na siyang ipaglaban. Kasing kuskus talaga. And yan, dati ng mga yan. Hindi ako may gawa yan. Ganyan na siya. So, ilagay natin to sa ilalim. Okay, nandiyan na siya. Okay na silang lahat dyan. Alright. Nandito na lahat na ilalagay sa car except yung aking luggage. And eto nakaligo na. Ako maliligo na din. Nandito na yung rice cooker. Ano ba? Ito pa pala. Hugasan ko to. Ako sa kwarto. Ito yung mga labahan. Ayan, nakaligo na pala ako, guys. And ilabas na ni Jan yung mga labahan dito na nakalagay doon sa garbage bag and yung malaking luggage. Nakapag skincare na rin tayo except sa sunscreen kasi gusto kong i-try itong Laxos Centella Sun Serum. Nung nandun ako sa Pinas, lagi itong out of stock. Tapos nung paalis na ako, saka sila nag-stock. So, minessage ko si Mers. Nasabi ko, pwede ba magpa-bili nito? And, ayan, thank you, Mers. Binili tayo ng Sun Serum and Sun Shield Glow Milk. Ayan. So, i-try natin siya kasi madaming magandang review dito. So, ito munang sunscreen. Ginaganon lang ito ni heart. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ang consistency niya is ano siya, parang creamy na watery. Yeah. So, watery. Yeah, creamy. Tapos may glow. Tama nga. Ito yung mga gusto ko, yung parang Korean lang. Eh, nung binili to nimo,
What bags put that coffee in? The SD or?
Eski. May amoy siya. Hindi siya yung perfume, pero mayroon siyang amoy na refreshing. So, ayun na siya. So, may, para siyang glowy ang kanyang atake. Kunti pa. So, nung pinabili ko to kay Mers, tinanong niya ako kung ilan, sabi ko 5. And then sabi ko rin sa kanya, pag hindi kasya, pwede niyang ipadalo doon sa aking supplier. Kasi yung supplier ko, message ko din parang sa aking live selling. Sabi ni Mers, wala naman daw siya masyadong dala. Okay na, siya magaan lang naman. Kaya, thank you, Sisi Mers. Nasa luggage na nilagay ko na sa luggage yung iba nito. Okay, ayan na siya. Madali lang naman siya. Hindi naman siya sticky. Tapos, ayan, oh. Ay, gusto ko to. Kasi gusto ko yung parang, ano ba siya, glowy. Yung Korean skin. Pero hindi tayo Korean skin. So, parang glass skin lang siya. Yan yung gusto ko. Then, ito, check muna natin itong Glow Milk. Sabi ni Heart, dapat daw ay! Ganyan siya, guys. Oh, para naman tong ano. Gatas na gatas. Oh, isa lang, tama. Isa lang na spray. Pero sabi na, dapat daw maggamit ng brush. Kamayin na lang natin. Kasi madali lang naman siya mag-blend. Tapos, may pagka ano daw to, parang tinted. Okay lang naman. Oh, madali lang siya mag-blend, guys. So, ayun, okay na. Mamaya. Sa labas, tingnan natin kung ano yung itsura niya. And, lalagay din lang ako ng concealer ng Tivian. Maganda talaga ang Tivian, guys. Maraming beses ko na sinasabi sa inyo na maganda yung concealer ng Tivian. So, kunti lang dito lang sa may dark spot ko. Ayun lang. Ganyan lang. Dot lang. And gustong gusto ko rin yung nabili ko sa TikTok na Get Ready With Me na ganito yung itsura ng brush niya. Ayan. Dapat eto ginagamit dito sa yung parang nag-highlight ka ata or nagko-conceal ka dito sa my eyes. Pero sa akin dito ko siya ginagamit kasi hindi naman ako dito. Hindi naman ako naglalagay dyan eh. Dito lang talaga sa mga dark spot ko. So, yun, i-blend ko lang to. Ayan. Ang ganda talaga ng Tivian, guys. Ayan. Okay, tapusin ko lang to kasi magkikilay lang naman ako. Para maging okay naman yung kilay natin. So, ayan na. Natakpan ng very light yung aking dark spot dyan. Tapos dito sa ilong. Ayan. Alright, guys. We're going. Tapos ng ating birthday getaway. Malamig. Is it gonna rain, Han?
That thing.
No. It looks gloomy.
Leading the way is a global broadcasting ministry that is helping people find life-changing hope in Jesus Christ. Dr. Yusuf speaks on the power of human
Yes, it's raining now.
giving biblical solutions to the
Oh,
challenges
that was you.
Christians are facing today.
Siya pala yun.
Listen and be strengthened in your
Nilinis
walk
niya
with
yung
Christ through the teaching ministry of
windshield.
Leading the Way with Dr. Michael Yusuf, 6 p.m. on Wednesdays and Sundays at 8 a.m. and 7 p.m.
Kuya, they're fishing, kuya. Did you catch any fish? What kind?
Oh, shit.
What? What? What you forgot? Nakalimutan ka ba? Ano naman yun? What was that? Oh. Hindi niya na. Okay. Dito yung cover ng camera natin. But there's still a lot of caravan, hun. No? It's not a school holiday. Mga bata nagbabike pa sila. But it's quiet now.
What's that?
Or Sakari, hun? Oo nga pala, wala dito si Sak. Hindi ko napansin. Saan ang Saki boy natin? Ah, because Taj is still here.
Yeah, they're up there.
Yeah, bukas pa kasi sila Taj. So, meron pa silang one night dito. It's your seatbelt, babe. Ah, sorry. At saka yung friend yung isa, yung kasama natin nag-speedboat, Wednesday rin ang alis nila. Kasi dumating sila Saturday. Sila Touch na una pa sa amin dito, pero late din ulit silang aalis. Ang ano na ng ano, wala nang tao dito sa water park. Pero sa pool meron. Ang weather. Ito yung weather na gloomy lagi for this year. Kasi last time hindi naman ganito. Nagsilabasan yung mga kids. Wala na. Umalis na yung mga bahay. Ayan, mayroong isa. Where's Saki?
At Logan's.
Ah, dito kila Logan. Na-board na naman si Sak. Alam niyo naman si Sak. Ayaw yung ma-board. So quiet na. Ay, ayan yung ating ano, oh. Yun lang yung nilagay ko eh.
Takes him to each other up front.
Yung pinakita ko sa inyong Laxal na sunscreen and sun shield. Tapos yung concealer ko na ingay naman ang seatbelt na dyan. Mag-check out lang siya. Ayan yung reception dito. And magpapabook din ulit. Yan ang ginagawa niya. Check out and book for next year. So yeah, yun yung itsura ng Laxal na sun serum and sun shield sa mukha ko. Lagay lang ang concealer and then konting blush para naman hindi tayo maputla. Then yung kay ano, Ana Magkawas na Pouty P. Ayan, tapos naglagay lang konting yung MAC na lip liner dito lang. Yun lang. Ganun ko lang para magkapula-pulang konti. Pero hindi naman nga. Ayun o, makikita dyan lang. Tapos nag-lip liner ako na yung light lang. Vice yata yun. So yun. Ayan na si Sak. Sak, I forgot about you. Huh? Say good morning.
What's this?
That's my cup. Say good morning,
What's
kiss.
on the A?
Kuya.
I want breakfast. Good morning.
And suot niya yung jacket na nabili natin. You like it, Baba? Ay, okay. Uwi na. Back to ano na naman tayo. Back to reality. Tagal ni John. Kanina pa. Hindi pa siya nakakalabas. Ayun, meron ng nag-check out na ano, caravan. Wala pa rin si John, guys. Ang dami ng nagsilabasan at nagsipasukan. Wala pa rin siya. Ayun, may nag-check out na naman. Ayun, alis na naman yan. Wala. Wala pa rin siya. Ano kaya yung ginagawa niya dun? Ito yung pinaka matagal na check out ni Jan. How many cars already been like in and out here? Ayan, may palabas na naman. Diba? Wala. Finally, ayan na siya. Oh, chika pa yan. Si Logan kasi nandyan lang.
Shut your door properly, Zach.
What take you so long, hon?
Because they said, there's someone else in that one on them dates. I said, I thought when you book it, you could pre-book it. Yeah, I know things have changed now because Discovery's got all this shit. So we end up getting the same one, but we come here on the 28th.
On the day of my birthday?
Yeah, we get here on the 28th.
And what day do we
Oh my
leave?
God.
Whenever it is, 4 nights.
That we have less.
My birthday will be Sunday.
We used to come here on your birthday because the calendar changes every year.
I know. That's why today my birthday was Saturday this year, and then next year Sunday.
What is it, Holly?
31182.
Yeah, she said there's a backlog of bookings. I said, yeah, but I thought,
This is the first
I know
time.
it's used to be like that, but now Discovery got it. But she's got it for us. All we had to do is just change the date and we were right.
Days now.
No, it's fine.
No, more absence. Because my birthday will be Sunday. 28th is
right.
Sunday.
Is it not leap year or something?
No. On 2028.
But your window upside. No, it stinks.
So kasi iba na yung may
Oo.
ari nito, guys. Discovery na, hindi na Big 4. So usually, pag nag-check out kami, rebook agad. So same date pa din kung ano yung binook namin this year. But ngayon nga dahil iba na yung nag-ooperate, may naka-check-in na raw sa amin. Yung gusto namin na date. This is the first time, no? First.
Yeah, it was changed hands. It's Discovery now.
For such a long time. As in, check out then rebook. Yun ang routine. Ngayon, kaya parang tagal-tagal niya. Alright.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trace the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind.
Nakatulog na si Holly, guys. How far we've been driving? Not even 1 hour. No, wala pang 1 hour. Tulog na si Holly.
Pretty good
I know, ang ganda ng grass. Iba yung dinaanan namin. Shortcut daw to. Loxton, right ba? Tapos dumaan kami ng Berry. Nalampasan na namin yung Berry.
Chances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second?
Nag-stop kami saglit. Kasi ihi yung boys dyan sa makahoy. And ako, nag-edit pala ako. Then, kumuha rin ako ng chips. Yung snap. Yung harvest snaps. Ayun. Edit tayo.
Chances, empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust this that's about to?
Okay. Pinaru tayo guys. Sa Pinaru. Pinaru. Okay. Enough ko muna.
Drink?
Yeah. What do you want?
You gonna get something to eat first?
Yeah, get first. Yeah. Bigyan ng pera ni Jan yung mga bata. Andun na sila. I know. I'm going. Minute na. Okay. Alright. Sauce daw. Maghahanap ng lolis yung mga bata. Wala sila dun. Ayan. Okay. Sour peaches. What you get? Yeah. And sushi, 2. TJ's having that too. How about you, Holly? Okay, you got lasagna. Gusto niyo ng lasagna? It's alright, son. Huh? So only one left, yeah. Hi. Isa na lang yung lasagna. That one, the lasagna. Yeah, only one. How about you, Kuya? Just get different one, Kuya. Kasi gusto rin sa ni Kuya. Kasi isa na lang. So, sa daddy niya na lang. You sure you're gonna like it, Kuya? Just get different one, Kuya. You might not like it. Kasi kumana siya ng sushi. You will like it? Alright.
I want to lasagna and 2 dim sums.
Dim Sims, okay. Oh, pinunta niya si daddy niya. Kasi wala rin na potato cake. Alright. Kuha tayo nito. Kerensky. How about you, Holly?
Can I have 4? 3.
3 of what?
Oh, you're getting sushi. What? Who's sushi?
That's TJ, 2 sushi.
Who's sushi?
What do you want, Holly?
That spicy one.
Okay.
3.
3.
Yeah.
Can I have the lasagna, please?
Lasagna?
You only have one left?
Yes.
Okay. Can I have one? Ay, malamig ang hangin.
Oh, Mom, this is about that to know.
Oh, is it? Is that your chicken?
And you're holding it up my day.
Yes, babe. I get it for you. Alright, then tayo dito sa likod ng car. This is yours, babe. Oh.
Yeah.
And this is yours, Sasha. And this is yours. No, I'm good, Mama. I got my Kerensky.
Oh, I opening it.
I should get tissue. Oh my God, it's been a while now. This one, Kerensky. I didn't even meant to open this. Si Kuya, dalawa yung kanyang kinuha. Bali, ayan, dalawang ganyan. So, 4 siya lahat. Ayan pa yung sa kanya. Ito guys, what did you get sa? What flavor? Teriyaki. How about you, yeah? Same? Huh?
Yeah.
Mabilis pa mo kasi.
So you didn't like sushi, yeah?
Who?
You did.
Well, this one, that's sushi.
You want sauce for that, huh?
This one's not the good sushi. Super duper. Super duper.
You want kain yeah?
We still got Islam.
Yeah.
I'm not hungry. Okay.
You're cold? Okay. Dessert na ako. So, I know you like it because last time before.
I know.
That's mine. Where's my paper bag?
Huh?
Where's my paper bag?
You what?
Paper.
Here. Oh, you got chicken there, yeah?
No, not with chicken.
I don't know. You don't want it? Sobrang tamis. Ayoko na. Pronto na si Kuya yung kanyang sushi.
Free balls.
And then go toilet. Alright. We're done our lunch.
there's none in it. That's why it's actually done.
Ang lamig ng fruit box nila. Kasi may mga frozen din akong yung fish ball, di ba? Frozen siya. Tapos meron pang iba. Yung supa-dupa. So, ang lamig ng kanilang fruit box. Okay. Papatuloy natin pag-edit.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you.
You go there to turn.
Huh?
Are we supposed to go there?
No. We're not turning. We're turning the other side.
Oh.
Turning left here. Si Holly pa lang guys, mayroon siyang dance lesson.
And it's
4 o'clock ang dance lesson niya. Meron lang siyang 5 minutes. So, pagkarating namin sa bahay, bihis siya. Then, yung mga boys binaba yung mga gamit. Then, ako, ayan. Drop off natin si Holly dito sa dance lesson niya. Kasi yung dance lesson niya ngayon dalawa. Ballet and acro. Okay, baba. Okay, see you. Okay.
Love you, Mom.
Love
Bye,
you,
guys.
too. Bye, guys. Ayan na siya. Okay, nagarap na ang parking. Ang daming cars na nakapark. So, mahihirapan na naman ako dito magharap ng parking.
If I could be a paradise.